Now we will work on displaying data here. Let's see here in endpoint doc, export const get docs API, and it will be await supabase.from docs table dot select asterisk to select all the fields. And now we have to filter it because I would like to show all the documents updated by currently logged in users. So here is the filter dot equals. It takes UID because that's the field in docs table, and we need to pass this UID. And another thing, we also need to sort it. So dot order, we have a field created at, so make it ascending false so that we have list in descending order, which means latest entries first. And from here we will return res.data. And in home page file, which is a server component, after checking whether there is a user or not, await get docs API, and we need to pass UID res data user dot ID. Let's call it data and comment this out. So here is our data from Supabase. So now it's being fetched on server side. So if I upload another entry, UI mode will be updated instantly. So to do that, we can use Supabase real-time listeners. So here in content file, let's first add an state docs set docs. So here we will use real-time listener in use effect, and we also need create client instance from utils client and use effect. So const data equals to supabase dot channel. This channel is the real-time listener of Supabase. We need to provide a unique name to it. I will call it doc channel, and this channel has on method where we need to provide this Postgres changes. So, and by that we are telling it to look for any changes in database. Now we also need to pass filter. So first will be event. Now event can be insert, update, delete, or all of them. So we will use this real-time listener for insert, update, and delete. So I will use asterisk. Second will be schema, public, and finally table docs. So we are telling this real-time listener to look for any changes in docs table. Okay, after that it will return us payload. let's log it, and we need to add .subscribe to it to subscribe to real-time listeners. And once we are done, we need to perform cleanup, so return, which is necessary because it is real-time listener, data.unsubscribe. So let's give it a try. So it's uploaded, and you can see there is a log, which is the payload. It has old field and new field. New field is the one which we just uploaded. You can see title, text, file URL, file path. Now we need to update this UI, so we know now we have to target this payload.new. We will say set docs, which is an array, payload.new, and then we will spread out existing values which comes from this docs itself. Let's refresh the page, and if I add another one, submit, there we go. There we have our new entry, and it's in descending order, and we can also confirm it from storage. Let's reload. We have 3 files, and in docs database we have 3 records. So here what we did, we filtered out all the documents by user ID and ordered in descending order. And in our real-time listeners, we are looking for any change in table docs, and when we got payload, we are updating our state in this set docs. So next we will work on deleting this record.